Hey everybody, this is Ray Halstead and Patricia Nass with REH CPA. A lot of time we get a lot of questions from small business owners about paying their children through the business and how to maximize that deduction. I've got Patricia Nass with me here today. Patricia, what can you tell us about paying your children through the business and how to do that the most efficient way?
Sure. So a lot of small business owners often ask, I have my children, I want them working in the business. Can they help out? Can I pay them? What will that look like? So you can certainly go ahead and pay your children who are working in the business. It needs to be reasonable hours, reasonable salary. You need to keep time cards or something just to show.
You need to be able to document it in case if there's because a lot of people do this and they abuse it. So you need to be able to have documentation that holds up in an audit, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So any business can do this, but then there are benefits if you have specific types of businesses. So if you have a partnership where both parents are partners, or if you're a sole proprietor, both of those have an additional benefit where your children's wages are not subject to FICA taxes. So that's saving Social Security, Medicare. They're also not subject to federal unemployment taxes while the child is under 18. So once they hit 18 years old, that's when they have to start paying on
the FICA taxes.
Right, the FICA taxes.
And just so everybody knows, the FICA taxes is 15.3%. So pretty good savings there, especially like if you were to pay a kid $10,000, that's saving you, $1,500 in taxes. And so that's pretty good savings there.
And then depending on how much you're paying the child, if they're under the standard deductions for the federal and the state, they don't even have to file a tax return. They're not paying any federal or state taxes, which of course, this is a great way for a child to make money and not have to pay any tax on it.
Yeah. So to be clear there, every business can take a tax deduction for paying the children, as long as it's reasonable compensation for real work that was actually done. Every business can. It's whenever you have specific forms of business, whether or not you have to pay the FICA taxes, which is like a partnership, a husband and wife partnership, and a sole proprietorship. If it's those two, then you don't have to pay FICA taxes. But if like an S Corp, C Corp, things like that, then you have to pay the FICA taxes and unemployment and all that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Really good information, Patty. If you guys have a small business and you would like to pay your children, but you have additional questions about the tax ramifications of that, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks.